Africa's growing population, urbanization, and economic expansion present significant opportunities for industrial businesses. Among the most lucrative industries to consider are toilet paper, making solid soap, making mineral bottle water. Making this guide provides a comprehensive roadmap for starting these businesses, including details on machinery, production processes, and marketing strategies to ensure success. First, toilet paper. Making industry. Why toilet paper? The demand for toilet paper is ever increasing due to population growth and rising hygiene standards. It's a low-cost product with high turnover rates. Machinery needed: rewinding machine used for cutting jumbo rolls into smaller toilet paper rolls. Types: semi-automatic or fully automatic. Cost: $5,000 to $50,000 depending on capacity. Core making machine creates the cardboard cores for rolling toilet paper. Cost: $2,000 to $10,000. Cutting machine trims the rolls to desired lengths. Cost: $1,500 to $5,000. Packaging: machine wraps and seals toilet paper rolls for retail. Cost: $3,000 to $15,000. Jumbo rolls, raw material. Buy in bulk to ensure production continuity. Production process. Load jumbo rolls into the rewinding machine. Cut the rolls to size using the cutting machine. Insert the cores and wind the paper. Package the rolls using a packaging machine. Marketing strategies. Branding. Create an affordable yet quality brand that appeals to local markets. Distribution networks. Partner with retail stores, supermarkets, and wholesalers. B2B sales. Supply directly to institutions like schools, hotels, and offices. Social media advertising. Showcase your product's affordability and eco-friendliness. Local community engagement. Sponsor hygiene campaigns to build brand loyalty. In Africa, where demand for soap is high due to increasing population, urbanization, and hygiene awareness, highlight gaps in the market, such as the demand for organic and herbal soaps. Why bar soap? Soap is necessary, and its demand remains stable regardless of economic conditions. It serves both household and industrial purposes. Essential machines and equipment. 1. Soap-making machines. Mixing tank, used for blending raw materials like fats, oils, and lye. Capacity. Ranges from 50 liters to 1,000 liters depending on production scale. Price: $1,000 to $5,000. Soap noodle grinder, if starting with soap noodles. Grind soap noodles to a fine texture. Price: $800 to $2,000. Soap plotter. Extruder. Shapes the soap into bars. Comes in single and double screw variants. Price: $3,000 to $8,000. Soap cutting machine. Cuts extruded soap into uniform bars. Available in manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic versions. Price: $1,500 to $4,000. Stamping machine. Imprints brand names or logos on soap bars. Price: $1,000 to $3,500. Drying racks or conveyor dryer. Dries soap bars to remove excess moisture. Price: $500 to $5,000. 2. Packaging machines. Wrapping machine. Wraps soap bars with paper or plastic. Price: $2,000 to $7,000. Sealing machine. Seals soap packaging for durability and hygiene. Price: $300 to $1,500. 3. Utility machines. Water treatment plant. Ensures quality water for soap production. Price: $1,000 to $5,000. Generator. Provides backup power for uninterrupted production. Price: $2,000 to $10,000 depending on capacity. Africa's population is rapidly growing, and access to clean drinking water remains challenging in many areas. Urbanization and a health-conscious population are driving the demand for bottled water. The bottled water market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10% in Africa over the next 5 years. This business offers low competition in rural areas and high scalability. Understand your market. Analyze your target audience. urban or rural, low-income or premium consumers. Identify competitors. Study their pricing, packaging, and distribution channels. Business plan. Startup cost estimation. Machines, raw materials, branding, etc. Pricing strategy to compete effectively. Profit margin calculations. Obtain the necessary permits from local authorities, including a business license, health and safety certification, and water quality testing approvals. Adhering to regulations builds trust with customers and ensures smooth business operations. Water sources. Choose between groundwater, municipal water, or spring water. Purification process. Explain reverse osmosis, RO, UV sterilization, and mineral enhancement. Testing. Emphasize regular lab tests to ensure the water meets WHO standards. The essential machines for a mineral bottled water business include water purification units, bottle molding machines, filling and capping machines, labeling and packaging machines. You can start with semi-automatic machines to reduce costs or invest in fully automated systems for higher efficiency. Mention reputable suppliers in Africa or affordable imports from China or India. Access to clean drinking water is a critical issue in many parts of Africa. Bottled water offers a reliable solution, and the market continues to grow. Machinery needed water. Purification machine includes filtration, reverse osmosis, and UV sterilization systems. Cost: $5,000 to $50,000. Bottle blowing machine produces plastic bottles from PET preforms. Cost: $10,000 to $50,000. Filling machine fills purified water into bottles. Cost: $8,000 to $30,000. Capping and labeling. Machine seals bottles and applies labels. Cost: $5,000 to $20,000. Shrink wrapping machine packages bottles into packs for retail. Cost: $3,000 to $10,000. Raw materials needed: PET preforms, caps, labels, shrink wraps, purify water using filtration and sterilization systems, blow plastic bottles from PET preforms. Fill the bottles with purified water, seal, label, and shrink wrap the bottles for distribution. Product quality. Emphasize purity and compliance with health standards. Distribution. Partner with supermarkets, convenience stores, and roadside vendors. Custom branding. Offer private labeling for events and businesses. Our boss has experience in starting the above 3 types of industries. Contact us on WhatsApp. For help, see the number from this video description. Social media campaigns. Highlight benefits like hydration and health. Corporate clients. Supply water for offices, events, and conferences. Starting a toilet paper, solid soap, or mineral bottled water business in Africa requires the right machinery, an understanding of the production process, and effective marketing strategies. Each of these industries offers significant profit potential due to high demand and low competition in many regions. With proper planning, execution, and commitment to quality, success is achievable.